Hey y'all, it is Brittaineayy. We are coming in with a different look, which, I mean, other people have created this look before, but I got requested by one of my friends, which I will, Melina Harris, and I will also link her page down below because, as you see, this ring light does not want to focus with me, but she wanted me to do a more of a, oh my god, this light is killing me, more of a like smokier type of, oh my god, cannot do this right, smokier type of look, where it's like the deep set, and I think this is such a pretty look. Out new palettes that I have not seen people review too many times, so I'm hoping I can be one of the people that try new things. Okay, LA girl, if you have been a person that has watched this brand from the beginning, this is not something you would have expected from LA girl. Oh my god, I cannot believe not only is the palette like bigger than my head, but on top of that, like covers up my whole face. But it has so many different colors in there, and I have not tried at all any of them, so I do not know how well they work or how pigment they are. But wow, and to the point where like they even give you like not only the names right under the thing, but they also do it on the back too, and go into the listing of what is in here and everything. So that is pretty cool. And then there's also going to be another palette I include. Hold on real quick. Okay, and so the other thing is like a controversy thing. I cannot speak, but the Kat Von D palette, but trying out the product and seeing whether the product is good or not is what I'm doing. So okay, so this is another thing. So not only is this a review slash try out people's products, but it's also going to help me create the look I'm trying to achieve, because it has the reds and the glitters and everything. So that is another thing. And it has a huge mirror. That's one good thing I can say, that like if companies put huge mirrors into their palettes, and like this is actually a sturdy palette, whatever, it's got like the leather and all that, whatever. So if people actually put bigger mirrors into their palettes, then that is awesome, because then you don't have to pick up another palette or another mirror. You can just like do your stuff here. So I probably will be using this a lot because of how big the mirror. I do not do my foundation first, is just because I can go in with like a makeup wipe, oh my god, talk too fast, and clean up after like lines and everything. Also another reason I don't do the tape and pull it back is because I don't know if it can create wrinkles and lines later on in life, but I already have like these two little lines right under here that like I don't even know if you can see. It's like where my eyeliner crease, or eyeliner, I don't even wear eyeliner. It's where the mascara will fall down and then crease right under here. So I already have lines and I do not want to create more lines, so I do not tape and make sharp angles and stuff like that, because I don't know if that can create lines later, but I don't need any more. So I already have enough lines on my body. I do not need to add more along the way. The MAC paint pot, and we are going to prime our eyes with that. Okay, so I always like to put things back in the package just to keep them clean looking. Like I am that person that like if I have a lifted truck, I will take money, but then I actually like will clean. Like I don't have a truck right now, I'm working on it. Like this is my goal, is to do good on YouTube and everything and make money, and then like be able to buy a lifted truck. That's like one of my goals. But I'm the weird person who is like, I have to, like when I dirty up something, I have to clean it and then like put it back and then the same thing, so that way it continues to stay clean, because I don't know, I'm weird. But so we're gonna dip. This is also soft ochre, and I think this is actually too dark for my skin, but that was my first time buying MAC paint pot, so I was like, oh, just give me whatever you think, whatever other women get, whatever. And she's like, oh, most of my vanilla women get soft ochre. So that is what we're trying. Okay, and like I said, I'm going to use the big mirror from the Kat Von D's because her mirror is gigantic in here. So I'm sorry if that's offending some of y'all, but I'm not standing for whatever it is, the whole stuff going on, so I am just using a mirror. So I know that a lot of people get into all the drama stuff and everything, and that's actually not me. Like I'll watch the stuff, but like I don't take part on the whole entire shenanigan stuff, because that's not me to like try to like I can listen to drama stuff all day long, but I don't like take part of any of it or try to like stay a person who is like on top of everything, like the news stuff. Like I don't even watch the news half the time because like I'm just not that person who can stay focused on something that's negative like that long. So other people are like going on and on and on and like be months on, and did you hear about what happened? Da, da, da. I'm just like, yeah, I didn't even hear the first time go around, so I'm first hearing it from you, and two, I don't care too much. So I guess that's another reason that I'm just like, everyone's all hyped up about the Kat Von D situation. I'm just like, yeah, that's not me. Don't get into drama that much, and when I listen to stuff or whatever, it's just to listen to it so that way I kind of like stay up to date. But then at the same time, don't always stay up to date because that's not who I am. So more of a laid back type of person who's like, whatever happens, happens, and you know, stuff gets over really quick, and everyone creates drama just to get attention, but it's either really not real or it doesn't last very long. So yeah. Okay, then I'm going to set that with a loose powder, and this is just the L'Oreal Hydra Perfect, however we say this. My camera will not focus. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I guess if it's halfway middle, then it will focus. So, okay, so just take that and then get some on your brush. And oh my god, I hate when fuzzy little hairs, like, don't even know if you can see that, but fuzzy little hairs will get on my brushes, and that is one thing that aggravates me because I've had that happen too many times where I did, oh, and then just shake off the excess and then like set it. But I've had the fuzzy thing happen way too many times and actually get in my eyes and like burn later on. Not like burn like on fire burn, but just like the fact that like when fuzzies get in your eyes and it's just aggravating and then makes you look like you're crying and everything. So yeah, okay. So this is a very, very loose powder and will go everywhere. So don't expect any less from a loose powder other than to fly all around your face and in your hair, because pretty sure you can see that. So looks like I have snow all in your shirt. Like, yeah. So expect the worst from loose powder. Expect no less than that. But yeah. Halfway through of the video, I'm like pausing to like play my Heyday farm. I do not, because I have to do the derby thing, and I'm not even sure if any of you actually, and no, this is not sponsored, I just love Heyday that much, which if they want to sponsor me, I would be gladly to do that. But so halfway through the video, I'm just like, I have to do the derby and my makeup at the same time. But so right now, halfway through the derby, I'm laying down crops of Heyday, or like the we know we were on Heyday, laying down wheat crops in order to do the derby. So the first palette we're going in is the LA Girl, and I also forgot the name. Oh, Reverie. I think that's the name of this palette. So yeah, I'll also leave those links down below. How do you like how much they are, or I should probably leave how much they are on here. But yeah, okay. So the first color, I cannot talk. The first shade we are going in is just to build up, but it is Destiny, or whoa. Maybe, okay, no, the colors underneath, yeah, okay, okay, I was a little confused because how the colors were listed, and I have no clue why I'm that confused, but the first color will be Destiny, the orange color, and that's just so we can build up. I'm taking it on a fluffy brush, and this is called Morphe 504. Oh my god, I'm dropping palette. I am the most clumsiest person I know in the whole entire world. I don't know. I've not met anyone clumsier than me. Let's just say that. Okay, so we're taking Destiny on a Morphe 504, and we are just taking it on a big fluffy brush and blending it out, because this is supposed to be more of like a smoky type of look, so it really doesn't matter if you're like too messy, I guess. But that is just tapping the excess off, and that's with the first go around. But this is also supposed to be building up that color too, so you don't want it very pigmented at first, because this is just this Transition color. Oh my god, as many times as I stumble over my tongue, I know one day if I get to be huge, there will be a compilation of me stumbling over my tongue a million times. So you don't even have to have video editing for all of that stuff when y'all try to make fun of people. Yeah, no, just use me talking as a funny thing, because I know I'll be there eventually one day. So, palette of the LA Girl. This is called Dynamo. Okay, I am bad at holding up, but this is called Dynamo. The other color in the Kat Von D palette, which I forgot what this, oh, this is called Fetish, by the way. So if you actually like Kat Von D and all that stuff and you want her palette and all that, then that's called Fetish. But this one, that's called Bondage, by the way. I love the names. Yeah. So, this one's called Bondage right there, and they actually kind of look the same. So this is more of like a powder, like a soft powder. Oh my god, it will not stop falling. But this is that color, and I'm also bad at swatches because I've never done swatches before. But okay, that's that burgundy reddish brown brick color, and then this one is a more softer color. Not as powdery. It's more like a. This one's more like a cream. And this is called Dynamo from the LA Girl color, but they, for a minute, they both had looked the same color, and I was like, So now I am debating. I think I'm gonna take the Dynamo because that's that more deep, reddish plum color. And yes, I am that type of bougie person who is just like, yep, I'm gonna take a toilet paper roll because obviously it's clean and you can work and get your stuff off very easily, and I don't have like brush cleaners and stuff like that. So yeah. From the LA Girl color, I'm not patting it off just because I want that intense color. So if you want a less harsh color, then you would want to pat this off. But since I want the, and we're still going in with the Morphe 504 brush, but if you want a less harsh color, then you would want to pat this off, because I know I said build up, but at the same time I love bold colors. So I don't know if anyone can ever get me out to loving the bold, the very bold colors, but taking a littler brush, which this is a Morphe M507. Yes, I love pretty much like a lot of Morphe stuff, but especially brushes. I'm going to actually take the Bondage from the Kat Von D palette, and it picks up a lot. But okay, so I was like, is there still color there? I think I knocked it all off. And then going lightly over the shade that you laid down. And when I say lightly, like barely touching it. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take the color kind of close to what you laid down in the beginning, and then lay it very lightly on top of, like, am I explaining myself very clear? I don't think so. Very lightly, you want to, like, between the two colors, so that way it looks like you're blending those two colors. Not only does it give you a better line, but at the same time, it also makes those two colors blend and make it not as harsh. I'm going in with Aspire to pack on right here. Okay, I'm trying not to turn this into a brown color, so I'm going to pick it up on my finger and then lay it down right on the lid. I don't want that color to like spread all over and then get rid of like the purplish color that we have above that. So rubber, we're just gonna like pack it on the brush, and then we're gonna like tap off the excess. Okay, so yeah, I have never gone on, I don't think I've ever really tried to go on with the black before on top of my eyes for like a smoky type of look. Like I've done smoky looks with that black before, but I don't know, with red is what I'm trying to say. I've never done a red smoky type of eye before, so I am living for this look. You cannot even see how pretty it is. Oh my god. You can see kind of what the camera shows you, but like this look in person is beautiful. It is so gorgeous. The lips, I'm going to use the Essence My Only One palette. Oh, nope. Okay, luckily the wire, you cannot even see, but the wire caught it. So thank you, Mike, for saving me. My little Mike. The wire, it was so long and it saved me. But so these are all the different colors, and one day I just need to review each product that I have shown y'all so I can do swatches on these. So I am going to do reviews, so even if I showed you the product, I will do reviews and swatches so you can see. I don't even know if you can hear all of the craziness she's doing, but one day I will show you all the swatches. But these are all the different colors, so we are going to come in with the red and the black and make a type of ombre look. Besides all the controversy and all that, this is actually a pretty nice palette, and again, I don't side for anything, whatever. I literally just, if a palette or product or whatever is good, I'm going to test and try it. Well, whether it's good or bad, I want to let y'all know, but so far in my life, I've been getting lucky because I've not stumbled across too many things that are bad. And I don't know if that's just me, like, or what, but, yeah. So, but this is really good. Oh, taking the flower brush, I don't even know if my camera will pick it up, but taking the flower brush, and it's just a flat lip brush, and this is by, gosh, I know her name in the 50 First Dates, but I know that she's from the 50 First Dates, but why? Oh, Drew Barrymore. Okay, Drew Barrymore. So I'm doing the patting technique and then the baby touchy blending. So that way it blends a little bit, but it's not like too harsh where it just completely like destroys the two colors. So this turned out so pretty, like, wow. And I know I say that about a lot of my looks, it's just because I step out of my comfort zone. But I mean, like, dead on, this like turned out really pretty compared to like some of the looks I've done in the past. It not only doesn't make my eyes pop, but it also just is so gorgeous, and my eyebrows are pretty much like actually somewhat on point for once in my lifetime, and it just, okay, now I know the whole when you're in your 20s that you look your best. Oh my god, now I'm gonna be so sad when I get older and I'm not doing makeup as great. I don't know. Anyways. It's so pretty. If you would like to request me to try a look besides the looks that I will be bringing and on my own, and also like testing and products and all that stuff, all you have to do is like link me to whatever you want me to try, and I will look at it and do my best to try it. So yeah, and you might actually get looks like this where it comes out really good even though it's not like dead on to exactly what, but I also wanted to twist it in my own. Why does the light look so weird right now? Okay, anyways, I wanted to twist it in my own style, and this is how it turned out, and I'm so glad, and it's so pretty. Okay, I hope everyone is doing good, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed making it, always do. Y'all have a wonderful day. See you.
Strong, it doesn't make us weak. Tongue tied to service like shy preteen.